Bow.
Behind.
Hi. Don't tell anyone. You have to be very quiet.
2, 3, 4. Open.
Good. I like your door hat.
And
Well, now we're both wearing a magnificent door hat. Oh, shh, I forgot we're hiding. Are we hiding?
bidding nang out there.
Bidding nang nang out there? What does that mean? Hang on, man. Oh, what? I fell asleep. Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh, good night. What are you? Are you the angel of mercy? Oh, hello.
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 I could come right back to hide with you.
Okay, you're just gonna cover my face with a pillow for a while?
I'm coming right back to hide with you.
Okay, thank you.